Breakthrough air compressor technology. Air compressor. There has been a radical shift in air compressor technology over the last few years. A lot of the drawbacks of the previous generation of air compressors have been completely eliminated simply by switching to Gardner Denver's Quantima air compressors. The problems with traditional air compressors are: they are expensive to run, need continual maintenance to ensure you don't end up with a very costly repair bill, and aren't particularly efficient compared to what they could be. Gardner Denver is confident that by using their new Quantima air compressors you can easily slash 25% of the total cost of ownership compared to other air compressors on the market. Quantima air compressors use variable rate technology to match output to requirement, minimizing off-load running, and have the lowest off-load power, just 2.5% of full load power. The Quantima range has only a single moving part contained in a magnetic field, so it has no wear and tear. There is no gearbox and no contact parts, which cause the bulk of the maintenance issues with a conventional compressor. Simplification means less maintenance and greater reliability. Compare a screw air compressor to a Quantima. See how much less can go wrong. Going green as a bonus. Using the Quantima also means you don't use a drop of oil in your compressor. No oil or oily parts to dispose of. Reduce carbon emissions through lowest energy use over its lifetime. Lower physical resources used in manufacture. Smallest footprint. Quantima are about 40–50% the size of an equivalent screw machine. Low noise levels, just 69 dB. You know the energy is by far the biggest cost associated with your compressed air system. Quantima can deliver significant power savings in your compressed air generation, but so too can improvements in your compressed air distribution and use. A comprehensive measurement and analysis of your compressed air systems can tell you exactly what compressed air is costing you and figure out the savings for switching. Contact Pi Barker on 404-363-6000 or email us at sales@pibarker.com to see just how much you can save on your compressed air system.